Today, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw money from your BoloUp app into your USDT account. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across me for the first time on this channel, I talk about how to make money on the internet. So in my previous video, I talked about a live streaming app where you can live stream, perform simple tasks, play game, gamble, and then earn and withdraw it into your account. So today I'm going to take you a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw from your BoloUp app into your USDT wallet address. There are actually different methods of withdrawal, but I am going to be using the USDT. First and foremost, what is a USDT account? USDT account can be on in the centralized crypto exchange like Bybit, Binance, OKS, BitGet, or whatever crypto account you are using. And if you have a dollar account in any of the Nigerian banks, you can actually use that too. But I don't have a dollar account in any of the banks, so I'm going to be withdrawing into my crypto wallet, and I'm going to be using the Bybit wallet. So to withdraw on this app, you come to this icon here that says me. You click on me, then you come to this place that says diamond. This diamond is what you are withdrawing, is what you're converting to money. Okay, so as you can see, I have 141,140 diamonds here. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. Now you can see the diamond available is 141,140. So this is what I have to withdraw. So for you to withdraw to your bank, which is USDT, I'm not sure if you can withdraw to your local currency. No, I'm not sure of that because I didn't bind my account directly here. I bind it in my when I was filling my agency form. That was when I bind the account, and in that section you cannot bind Naira account. There was no room for Naira account, so I believe you can only withdraw to USDT. I don't know, but you can go ahead and try it. So for you that have not bind your account, if you click on withdraw, it will bring you to this interface. But in your interface, because you have not bind an account, it will ask you to bind a withdrawal account, to bind an account. When you click on the bind an account, then it will show you what to do. Yeah, like mine is bind already, so that is not showing for me here. And unfortunately, I couldn't do screen recording of it because I bind it when I was filling my agency form, like I said. So you go ahead and fill the form. Go ahead and fill the details that is required and then bind your account. If it's successful, then you go ahead with your withdrawal. To withdraw here, you can withdraw only from 100,000 diamond, which is equivalent to $10. Yeah, you can only withdraw from 100,000 diamond. So for me now, I have 141,000 that I can withdraw. But before we go into the withdrawal, let's go through the withdrawal instructions. Number one said a minimum of $10 is required for each withdrawal, and the withdrawal amount must be an integer. So what this means is that you must have up to 100,000 coin, which is equivalent to $10, before you can place withdrawal. So for me to withdraw to my bank account now, I will come here and click on maximum because I want to withdraw all. Now, like I said earlier, you cannot withdraw anything above the round figure. So you can see I have 141,000, but I cannot withdraw 141,000. It has to be a round figure, so I can only withdraw 140,000. But if you know you don't even want to withdraw, or you can just put, if you have 140,000 and you choose to withdraw only 100,000, you can just come here and type only the 100,000. Yeah, you can just put your 100,000 and it will show you how much is going to be in dollar. You can see it's $10. But because me, I want to withdraw everything, I'll just click on mass. That is maximum. So that is 140,000, which is $14. And once I do this, I'll just go ahead and click on withdraw. Now the confirmation is, do you confirm the withdrawal? Consume diamond, that is the diamond I'm about to withdraw, is 140,000. Handling fee is $1.06, 64 cents. And then money that I will receive, I'm withdrawing $14, right? But after they remove all their charges, you see that what I'm receiving here will just be $12.36. You get, because their charges here is $1.06. After reading the information or instruction, you can just go ahead and click on confirm. You can see operation successful. As you can see, this is the evidence of payment that entered my Bybit wallet after 24 hours. I received my money exactly 24 hours after placing withdrawal. So that is how to withdraw on this BoloUp app. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.